Hey guys, me here. Sorry for the sounds of the water tower people over here. Yes, my channel is mostly based on puppets now. I have a new one that might take a couple days to finish. No, I bet just like one day. I already have the body fully made over there, but it's not dry because it's clay. So, yeah, it's gonna be a bird. So like, he has a bit of, whoa. You might notice that it's pipe cleaner that I made his feet out of. But his body is made out of clay, so it's a mix of everything. He can kind of like kick stuff down. Oh. He can kind of kick stuff down. So yeah, he's gonna be pretty cool with his little feet. So yeah, it's gonna be like a duck or something. All credit goes to Barnaby Dixon. If you haven't read my description of these puppets, all credit to him. Go check out his channel. Or go check out my playlist of my favorite Barnaby Dixon videos. Bye-bye.